So this is my full outfit right here. Very much simple, very much a FI. And then the shoes are Steve Madden. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. These are very comfortable. At first they hurt, but I just had to put some lotion on my dry feet, and now they fit perfectly. And for my bag, I'm carrying my Aldo bag, and I'm gonna put on my Tory Burch bracelet, and the scent I'm wearing is Prada Night. So this is the vibe. For more information, for more slay, go check. For more slay, go check out my YouTube video. Not my YouTube, my Instagram, BerryFae 19. All right, I gotta go. I'm already an hour late.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break across real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell.
You guys, we got our food and it looks delicious. Look at that. It looks so good, right? It's so bomb. We are out here. Vanessa's getting us some more drinks. You guys probably can't even hear me anyways, but it is what it is. But we're having a good time. I'll show her when she comes back. Y'all, these ribs are so good. It's so good. It's dark. But she got shrimp or steak, lo mein. I'm about to grab. Y'all can't even hear me anyway, the music. Anyway. You're wrong.
All right, once again, my name is KJ Gimlet. Give it up for DC. Karaoke Fridays here at the Val.
Oh, one division.
Oh, it's hot. Got a wedgie. Sorry. It's killing me, bro.
Y'all see that vlog? 100% transparency. That's the thing about vlogging. Y'all see it all. You know what I mean?
Unless I edit it out.
Don't edit it. Don't edit it.
Anyway, we are going to Peanut Island.
Peanut Island. It's hot.
It's freaking hot.
What is it, like 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning right now?
It's 11:13 a.m.
I don't even think the sun peaked yet.
Yeah, we're just gonna be chilling. Finally going to the water. We just ate and everything, but yep. Babe, you making a sand ball?
Let me know.
What is wrong with you? Oh, so sorry.
Yeah.
How's the water? How's the water? Yeah. Ooh, yeah, it's way better than that other one over there.
Here, you push mommy.
Living life, I see.
It is just getting super deep. I can't even stand up right here.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm gonna stay right here.
I ain't even going nowhere, huh?
I'm gonna stay right here.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, it feels nice.
I gotta find a new home.
The man. This grill.
I told you. I told you. I told you.
Well, what's your problem? What, you got 3 chips? No, I don't got one. Dom has a chip. You can carry me.
All right, here, come here. Guys, have a great day.
Bye. Nice to meet you. I wouldn't have made it either way. We probably wouldn't either. Well, you try to push it back or something, or your appointment?
Oh yeah, I'll text her and let her know.
That's what we doing. What's up, bro? Chilling, man.
Take us around.
Yeah, can he take us to our car? Oh, let's go. Good thing I said, can you get me some?
Yeah. He spoke her mind, boy.
Listen, my legs is...
She said he spoke her mind. Millie, you know if you park pretty close to us?
Bye.
Yeah.
We'll come for you. We'll come back.
You know.
Lady said, oh, on the side.
Say sure.
Right here?
No. Well, to the right.
To the right.
Yeah, on the street. Ooh.
Thank you. Appreciate
This girl.
it.
Right.
Right? Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
Oh yeah. All right, Millie, see ya.
All right, call me later or text me. This is how I felt in Mexico when we were driving the ATVs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, you got it, boss.
All right, man.
Take it easy. Yeah, man.
Time to go.